Hi everyone. So for our cool tool, Dalira and I decided to select an educational app that was aligned with the new Common Core standards. The app is called Duck Duck Moose. It makes award-winning educational apps for young children. These are all the fun app games which include math, reading, puzzles, music, nursery rhymes, and so on for educational purposes. The, the cool tool that we chose was Pet Bingo. It is a fun game for children through fourth grade students to play. They will be practicing additional subtraction, multiplication, and division. It also gives them the choice of playing with mixed math mode equations for those students that want to challenge themselves. Students get to decide if they want to take an easy, medium, or hard level as they play the game. And what we mostly love about this app is that it includes unique hints developed by teachers to help students understand the different concepts. Like 1 plus 8 equals the same as 8 plus 1. So we have 8 coins. 1 plus 8 equals 9, and so on. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 1 plus 1, 2, and so on. Until we get bingo. 5 plus 1 equals 6. There you have it. As for students, what really makes this game more fun and interesting for them is that after getting a bingo, they get to collect new pets and earn fruits and vegetables to feed them as they improve in their math. So here we have Lola. This is our pet, and she's eating a beet. We're feeding it because it's probably hungry. How about we feed it another thing, which is a watermelon? There we go. She was super hungry. Now we're going to go to the home page. At the top right corner, you see a little house. And it's going to take us, this is a huge plus for teachers and parents because they are able to keep track of the progress their young ones are making through their game report cards. So here we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So it lets us know the percentage that their children are having and getting in their math. So here we have that a little bit more information about Duck Duck Moose, and it is that it was founded in 2008 by a small team of parents and educators, and as of now has created over 20 apps which encourages students to learn in a fun way. They have partnered up with the Khan Academy, which is a nonprofit organization making all Duck Duck Moose apps free for everyone to download and enjoy. And well, there you have it. This was the cool tool that caught our attention. Thanks for watching.